In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Airbnb gift card balance. So once you're logged into the website, if you click on your profile, Airbnb profile picture towards the top right corner, when you left click, a menu should pop up. Choose account. On the accounts page, you will see several boxes. You now need to click on the third box from the top, which is payments and payouts. Now, in the payments and payouts page, you don't need to click anywhere. Just scroll towards the bottom of the screen. You will see Airbnb gift card section. So this should show you if you have any gift card balance in your account. If you want to add a gift card, just click on the add gift card button, and this will allow you to enter your gift card number and your PIN code, and then just click on redeem gift card. That should add the balance to your account. If you've had any coupons in the past, you can see the coupon balance here. I'm not going to click on this because coupon codes are confidential. But if you click on the coupons drop down, it will show you all the coupons that were added to your account in the past. So that's it. That's how you see your Airbnb gift card balance. Good luck. Enjoy. Cheers.